Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Friends, today I want to tell you about an Ayurvedic herbal powder which is very effective if you are suffering from cough and cold. And that is this Sitopladi Churna. Before I tell you more about this herbal powder, I would like to tell you how I came to know about it. Around 4 years back, I suffered from fever for around a week. Even after my fever had gone, I was still suffering from acute cough. My doctor prescribed me cough syrup and he even changed it 2 to 3 times. But my cough would not go. I was not able to sleep properly. I was not able to talk properly. In a nutshell, I can say that I was feeling harassed. Then I thought of talking to my cousin, who is also a doctor and who is practicing in another city. When I told her about my case, she suggested me to take this Patanjali Sitopladi Churna with honey 2 to 3 times a day. I at once googled about it and thought that I should give it a try. Friends, you won't believe it. When I took it 2 times, I was feeling relieved and eventually I was cured of my stubborn cough. It is to be taken in a very small quantity. You just have to take around 2 grams of this powder along with around half a spoon of honey 2 to 3 times a day. When I googled about it, I came to know that it is useful in many other problems also, like in respiratory problems and in case of burning sensation in palms and feet and in case of tonsils also. But I wish to tell you here that I tried it only for my cough and not for anything else. But since it has only herbs, I don't think there is any harm in trying it. It may help you. You have to shift it to an airtight container after you have opened it. I had opened it only a short while ago and I was going to transfer it to an airtight container. But then I thought I should share it with you also in case it helps. It has worked for me, it may work for you also. And since it has all herbal things, I don't think there is any harm in trying. If you want to buy it online, the link is in the description box below. So friends, that was all for today. Please like, share and subscribe if you found it good. See you again. Till then, take care of yourselves.